Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm presenting to you this monitor I got for free off the side of the road. It came with all of the documentation, including all of the shipping and payment info, as well as the Energy Star rating that no one actually looks at. However, there's one problem. This monitor is very intermittent. I was lucky to get it working this time, but it doesn't want to work all of the time. So instead of throwing it out, I've decided to take it apart and see if I can fix it. And yes, I did succeed. First I removed the bezels, being careful not to crack the brittle plastic. And sometimes not so careful. Once it was off, I began unscrewing the 4 Phillips head screws on the back of the monitor. To go any further, I soon realized that I had to take off the monitor stand as well. After undoing the cables from the power button and speakers, the back cover finally came off. I then undid some more screws that held in the rest of the stand. And under that were 4 more screws. After that, the controller board could come out. After undoing a couple more cables, I could finally move this onto a desk to figure out what was going on. And here was the first red flag. This connector was not properly plugged in. With a little bit of pressure, it went in all the way. I soon realized there was nothing else I could possibly do. Putting it back together was the same as taking it apart, just in reverse. Now I've almost put it back together, but before I put on the covers, I just want to check if it actually works. Thankfully, I haven't broke anything so far. After using the monitor for a while, I realized that the intermittent issues had disappeared. But I did notice one thing. There is a small visual distortion right in the middle of the screen, just at the bottom. But it was only noticeable on camera, so I ignored it. Are you ready for the final result? Here it is. This monitor works excellently, and it's perfect for gaming, as it is 75 Hz. But has it held up? Well, I have edited this entire video on this monitor, and so far nothing bad has happened. As long as those issues are gone, I'm happy. And let me tell you, this 33-inch monitor is a huge upgrade from 27 inches. Alright, that's it for now. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.